Welcome to Showtime Mobile Detailing. Let me walk you through our meticulous interior detailing process, designed to leave your car's interior spotless and protected. We start by using the Tornado tool with our air compressor to loosen and remove dirt from every nook and cranny. Then we thoroughly vacuum the entire interior, ensuring every corner is free of debris. Next, we detail the rubber and carpet floor mats, restoring their clean look. We also meticulously clean the door panels, dashboard, center console, seats, and cup holders, leaving every surface fresh and spotless. Your car's glass gets a streak-free shine, and we take care of light pet hair removal, ensuring a clean, clear view and a hair-free interior. Finally, we apply interior UV protection to all plastic, leather, and rubber surfaces, safeguarding them from sun damage and preserving their appearance for the long haul. With Showtime Mobile Detailing, your car's interior will not only look amazing, but will also stay protected and comfortable. Experience the difference today.